Good morning student. I am going to teach you GK. Today we are going to study about flower name. First of all, put date D-A-T-E date. Today's date 4 dash month February, number of February 2, year 2021. Day Thursday Thursday Thursday. C.W. classwork. Put homework on next page. Write first letter capital R O S E rose. Next Mogra. We will write first letter capital M O G R A Mogra. Next L I L Y Lily. Next L O T U S lotus. Next J A S M I N E jasmine. Next S U N sun. F L O W E R flower sunflower. S H O E shoe. F L O W E R flower shoe flower. Learn flowers name. R O S E rose. M O G R A mogra. L I L Y lily. L O T U S lotus. J A S M I N E jasmine. S U N F L O W E R sunflower. S H O E shoe. F L O W E R shoe flower. Learn in this way. Learn and write.